What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamzon1026, and welcome back to the Glam Room. Today I'm going to be giving you my haul of product that I picked up in Sephora's Spring VIB sale. I did the recommendations and my wish list a couple weeks ago, and so now everything has come in. I'm going to show you what I picked up, what I edited out of my cart. Okay, before we get started, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell below so that you can be a part of the most glamorous, the most fabulous community here on YouTube, the Glam Fam. We have a lot of great things coming up, and we have a lot of great things that are already on the channel. So if you guys want to see all of that, make sure you do those two things. And without further ado, let's get into this bag, okay? So first of all, Sephora sent me all my things in this big old box, and I was like, it don't even need all of that. Y'all are tripping. Like, they always try to embarrass me every year or every sale, and I'm just like, guys, it doesn't even need all of that. Cause I didn't even really get that many things, you know? So we're gonna deep dive into the box. All right, so let's start with skincare. Yeah, let's start with skincare. Let's talk about the freebies that I got, or what I got with the point system. So first I got the Clinique All About Eyes eye cream. I ran out of eye cream and I need some. This was 100 points, so I was like, why don't I just pick it up? It's low-key free. I guess it's not free because I did spend the money to get the points. But I did pick it up because I do need an eye cream. It is 0.17 ounces. It is algae tested, 100% fragrance free. Ophthalmologist tested. It is a hydrating cream gel that diminishes the looks of circles, shadows, lines, and puffs. And so I have noticed that I have been putting a lot of concealer under my eyes lately. And so I want to use this to see if it works. Then, you know, I'll go back and buy the big one if I so choose. All right, the next freebie or points that I got this for 250 points. This is the Pharmacy, I don't even know what it's called. It's just a duo from the Pharmacy. This was 250 points. And one is a serum. So it is our new Feeling Good serum. And this is going to plump and fill the look of fine lines. Now, I don't necessarily have fine lines, but I feel like my skin could always use some plumping. I was like, plumping sounds good to me, so I'm gonna get that. And then the next one is the moisturizer, and then you lock in Intense Moisturizer with our best-selling Honey Halo Moisturizer. The serum is 5 milliliters or 0.17 ounces. And the moisturizer is, let's see, 0.5 ounces. Next, now I said I was gonna buy this, and I was gonna buy this until I realized that they had it in the points. I got this duo for 100 points, and it is the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse and the Micro Exfoliant. Oh my gosh. So I was going to buy them. I was gonna buy it. But when I realized that I could get it for points, I was like, let me save a coin. So I did. So this is the Special Cleansing Gel and the Micro Exfoliant. So you mix them two together and you add them to water to create a foamy paste, and then you massage them on your face and neck to cleanse and exfoliate in one step. So I got the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies kit, and I'm really excited to try this because I've always wanted to try some things that are Glow Recipe. They have really cute packaging, and even though, like I said in the other video, I don't like the smell of watermelon, I'm gonna try it out because I've heard really good things about this, so I'm really excited. And I just want to target some concerns. Like, I feel like sometimes, and it's probably because I haven't been taking the best care of my skin, I feel like my skin it just looks gross sometimes. It just looks, I don't know. So I'm gonna try all of this, and then whichever ones I like, I might get the big ones. Yeah, that's a good idea. So next we have the Inkyless Salicylic Acid Cleanser. So I did end up getting this. The rest of the other cleansers I had tried before, so I really did want to try this. It was $10.99, and I was like, this is a pretty big bottle for $10.99. So I was like, okay, I'm going to get this. And this is going to be probably my nighttime cleanser because I use a different cleanser in the daytime versus in the nighttime. I've been getting a lot of tiny little bumps on my face, like tiny little white comedones, I think that's what they're called. And I just want to get rid of them because I have an issue with popping bumps. And so I've had a lot of spots lately and I don't want that no more. So I'm going to not, I'm salicylic acid. That's what we doing, okay? We doing the salicylic acid. All right, and last but not least in the skincare section, we got the Dr. Grows Day and Night Exfoliating. When I tell you I love Dr. Grows and I love both of these products. So you get 30 full-size AHA BHA peels plus 5 bonus treatments, and then you get 8 of the bonus peel treatments. You get 8 of the nighttime ones. And so if you know, like, one of these by itself is $88. If you buy this, it's $88. If you buy this one, it's $78. So all of this together was $88. So I got this so that I can stock up and I have some in my bathroom for when I need, you know, for whenever I need it. I'm currently using the nighttime repair twice a week, and it has really been doing a lot of good to my skin. I just need, you know, the extra push, you know, the extra. One thing that I didn't get that I really wanted to get, and the reason why I didn't get it is it's beyond me. I have absolutely no idea. It like literally just slipped my mind, was the Necessaire body stuff. I really wanted that. And I, like, when I looked through the box, I was like, okay, cool, all my stuff came. And then I came upstairs and I was like, wait a minute. Where's my body lotion? I mean, my body stuff. And I was like, dang, they didn't send it to me. Let me go call it Sephora and holler at them. And then I looked on the receipt and I didn't order it. So I'm gonna be picking that up this week because I want it. And I'm mad that I didn't get my 20% off. That would have been $8 off. I'd have paid $32 instead of $40, but you know, whatever, what have you. ADHD be sneaking up on me sometimes. I don't even know how it got put out of my cart, but it did. And so that's that. So next, let's shift to makeup. And I bought the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Glow Serum, and this is in Juicy Boost. This is the darker one, that's in Juicy Boost. And then the Yummy Skin Serum Foundation, and this is in the shade 17W. Now this is a little bit too red for me. I have it on today, as you can tell. It doesn't quite match my chest, but I'm okay with that. Like, I'm not tripping. But I do want to show y'all how this looks on the skin. This is the serum, and it smells so good. It smells so good. It smells like a Juicy Boost. So basically, this is just a little, it's just a little glow. It's like a glotion for your skin. And you put that on your skin. Like, when I put this on my skin, before I've done anything to it, it looks good. And I just don't understand because, like, all it is like a serum. This is the 17W foundation. So this is a little bit red for me, like I said. I am gonna go to Sephora when I go pick up the Necessaire stuff. And I'm gonna see if the 16, I think it's 16N, I'm gonna see if that works better for me. But as you can tell, look, it's a little too red. So, you know, there's a lot of correction that I have to do once it's on my face, like, so that it balances itself out. But I do love how the foundation looks and how it wears. I will be doing a full review and wear test for you guys, and that will be coming up probably sometime in May because April's videos are already filmed. Just keep a lookout for that. Okay. So next, this is something that I wanted to pick up. The first time I bought it, I thought it was too light. And then I went and exchanged it, and I exchanged it and I got my skin tone. And then the one that I was going to get, when I exchanged that one again, it was sold out. So I just ordered a different one. This is the Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer. This is in the shade Pecan Pie. So, or Pecan Pie. I'm from the north. And so this is that is the color right there. And just to compare it to the highlighter the concealer I have on today, I have on the LYS Triple Fix Serum. And this is it right here. And this is in the shade TN3. So it's fairly similar. I think the one from Sephora is a little more yellow. And the Sephora, and the LYS is a little bit more pink. So very similar. All right, so next we have the Milk Makeup, what's this called? The Milk Makeup Bionic Bronzer, and this is in the shade Shapeshift. I also have this on today, and I honestly really like it, and I thought it was deeper than what it was. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on my skin. I thought that, like my deep skin shawties, I thought we was gonna be able to use them. Or y'all was gonna be able to use it, but I don't know. This is the deepest shade that they have. And that's it right there. And it looks good, but it's not deep enough. Like Milk Makeup, they have really good products, but they just don't go as deep as you need them to. Come on, guys. Like y'all are a big company and y'all can afford it. So what is the issue? I don't understand. So that's all I have to say about that. I'm just really disappointed in Milk Makeup for that. You know, I like them a lot. Thank you guys. You know, I'm sort of kind of on their PR list when they feel like sending things to me, but like, guys, come on. All right, so the next two things I have are the same, and they are from the Sephora collection. They are two of their blushes, and this one is Fascinated, and it is like a coralish orangey brush. Summertime fine, y'all. Summertime fine. Here we go. Let's look at that on the back of my arm. Yeah, that's a good color. I like that a lot. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh, that's gonna be real cute. All right, so the next one is Hey Jealousy. That one's cute too. Oh, so good, so pigmented. Oh my gosh. I don't have that on right now, but I want to put it on right now. Now we have two more blushes because, you know, I'm a blush gal. I love blushes, love them so much. We have the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Matte Liquid Blush, and this is what I have on today. And it is in the shade Grace, sorry. This is Grace, and this is a bright pink. And it's so cute, oh my gosh. And when I put it on, I was like, oh my gosh, that's so bright. It's gonna look crazy on me. But then I blended it out and girl, look at it. Looks so good. All right, so this is Grace. Let's rub that in. Oh, so good. And then the other one that I have is Grateful. So I know I did get one named Grateful. Okay. And this one is a red blush. And so I'm excited to try this one. This is gonna be my, hey, let's go on vacation blush. Gonna look like we woke up refreshed and excited blush. Okay, so here we go. This is Grateful. Oh, goodness gracious, that's gonna be a good one. Last but not least, I have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream Double Take Lip Duo, okay? And this is two full-size gloss bombs. They're the Gloss Bomb Cream, so they have very nice pigmentation on them. And the first one is Cupcaking. Whew, them words is little. So this is it here. Let's put it down here so you can see the color. Can y'all see that? So pretty, so pretty. Again, perfect for summertime. Like, we're pulling off looks this summer. I don't know where we're going. The second one is Bubble Single. I mean, I guess that's a weird name, but whatever. I'm still gonna use it. So those are those two. All right, so that's all I got from the Sephora VIB sale this year, or this spring. So if you guys got anything that I got, if you guys want to see me do a video on something, let me know in the comments below. If I didn't pick up what you thought I was gonna pick up, if there's other things that you picked up that you know, just talk to me down below. I like talking to y'all, okay? So that's all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Liking this video is the easiest and the least expensive way to support this channel. It also helps push my content to other people who would like the same videos that you like. So this is editing Duana, and I didn't realize that I didn't have an outro, or that the outro got cut off. So basically all I have to tell y'all is that you need to like the video, and liking the video is the least expensive way, and it is also the easiest way to support this channel because it helps push my content to other people who would like the videos that you like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. And don't forget to follow me on all major platforms at Glamazon1026. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.